G'day guys and girls, welcome back to the channel and another video. In this one, I'm going to welcome Powerflex to the channel. They've given me a really nice discount on a bunch of products that I've wanted from them for a while. So today we're going to take a look at them, we're going to unpackage them, and I'm going to show you how good their quality is on how they make their products. Hit the intro. Let's dive into the Powerflex goodie bag. I've got two packs in here. One is quite big, pretty sturdy. It's like a plastic purpose-formed box. And one is a bit smaller. So let's delve into the big one first. Okay, so the first thing I've got, my new custom exhaust has a bit of a rattle. I know that they've reused some of the standard hangers, so I bought an upgraded Powerflex one. What have we got? This one, I'm going to take this one out, is the upper driver's side engine mount insert. Mine has gotten a little bit squeaky, especially when it's cold. So I'm hoping that this insert with the O-ring can give me a bit more life on it and make it last a bit longer. What have we got on here? And it comes with some instructions on how to fit it too. So looks like they've got the engine mount removed from the car to fit it. So we'll go through that when we do the install video. This one is the transmission side mount. So again, it's an insert for the standard mount. And it comes in two pieces, and again some instructions and how that's going to fit in, and either that way or that way. I'll read the instructions, but every part has got Powerflex, I'm not sure if you can see that, Powerflex branded on it, and a part number. This one is inside here. So they feel maybe they might be lightly greased already. Some parts do come with a little squeezy tube of grease as well, but the finish is very good, very smooth, nicely formed, so they should be very solid. Pop that down there. And in here, I have, these are the rear beam to chassis bushes. They look solid. They're the purple ones, so they're not as soft as the yellow ones, but not as stiff as the race-made black ones. And these also come with two steel tube inserts. We'll go through there. And like I said, a tube of grease and instructions. So that is pack one, which is pretty cool. So I'm looking forward to seeing how those rear beam to chassis bushes complement the Whiteline Sway Bar that I've already got. Hopefully it just tightens up the rear end a little bit more. In the second pack, again, some Powerflex grease, assembly grease. Got some more small purple bushes. Again, very smooth, very nicely made, no burrs or anything. Got Powerflex and the part number. 2 of these larger purple bushes. You can probably guess what's coming by now. We've got 2 of these big washers. And of course, this is the rear motor mount or rear torque mount, rear engine mount, whatever people want to call it. And I believe that these are all made in-house, but this is a part of the bracket for the rear motor mount, and it's very nicely machined, finished in black. Yeah, it's very nice. And this is the actual bracket mount itself. Again, machined to a high quality. Powerflex branding, I believe that all face down, but very nicely made, feels very smooth. It's almost like a soft touch plastic feel to it. But I've already got the Mountune one with the yellow Powerflex bushes, but considering that Powerflex were giving me all this for a good discount anyway, I've got the Powerflex one, and I've wanted for a while to upgrade to purple bushes, considering I do track days and I want to do some more times at the drag strip. So hopefully the purple bushes are going to hold up a little bit better and give me a little bit better response than the yellow ones. Big thank you to Powerflex for all of this. I did put the includes paid promotion symbol up the top because although I've paid for this, I did get quite a good discount, which I'm very, very grateful for. So thank you. And hopefully this gives you guys some insight onto some videos that are going to come on the channel in future. If you're interested in any of these parts for your Fiesta ST, Mark 7, ST180, whatever you call it, I'll put all the part numbers down in the description below so that you can have a look for them. They also are pretty easy to find on the Powerflex website. So again, thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe, all that stuff. And yeah, stick around and watch these go in and I'll let you know what I think of them. Cheers guys.